So a few of y'all have been asking me, what do I use or how do I record my videos when I'm doing my Spark deliveries? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you the products that I use and a little bit of the process of how I do it. I'm also going to share with you some inexpensive products that you can also find for the low. You don't have to even break the bank. So if you're interested in getting started on your recording journey for your deliveries or for whatever it is that you want to record, then this is definitely the video for you. So let's just get into it. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Renee of Rolling with Renee, and my channel is pretty much created for the entrepreneur or the 9-to-5 worker who is looking for a way to make multiple streams of revenue. One of my side hustles that I love, and I've been doing this for a little bit over 2 years, is Walmart Spark Delivery. I'm an independent delivery driver with them, and I have been doing this for a while. I share with you here on my channel the tips and the tricks and basically how the process works, so it'll help you understand, if you are interested in becoming a Spark Delivery driver, how the process works. Now, in order for me to do that, I have to record footage, and that is the purpose of this video today, because I've been getting quite a few people that have been asking, how do I record my videos and what items do I use to do so? Because I try to give you that personal, up close point of view when I am delivering, so that you won't be lost in the sauce trying to figure out, okay, how does this work or how does that work? So today you're in for a treat, because I am going to share with you how I set everything up in my vehicle. It's fairly easy. I only use 3 things, and sometimes it's only 2. And I'm also going to give you a bonus, because we're going to go into a store and I'm going to show you some products that you can use as well. And it doesn't have to be just for a Spark delivery. This is something that you can use for gaming and also for your YouTube channel if you're interested in getting your YouTube channel started. These are some items that you can use to capture that footage. So we're just gonna get right into it. So we're gonna go outside right now, and I'm just gonna show y'all how I set everything up in my car. But before we go, I do want to just share with you that this is what my baby is. I use this, and this is my GoPro. This has been so helpful for me. Like, this right here was like the best investment ever. And if you have the funds to get this, get your hands on one. This was one of my best investments, and I got this from Best Buy. So they may be having a Black Friday sale or some type of sale where you can get this, but if you can get your hands on one, get you one, okay? But anyway, let's just go outside to the vehicle so I can show y'all how I set everything up. Okay, so when I am recording for Spark, this is what I'm using. It has this little suction down at the bottom, so it sits on my dashboard, and you see that it doesn't move, and it holds pretty securely. So you're just gonna put the suction here and then spin that little dial around till you get it as tight as you need it to be. And I got this from Amazon, so it's fairly cheap. This is a bell howl, but it just sits right here. So as I'm driving, that's how y'all see me when I'm talking, and I don't have it directly in front of me on the dashboard like here. I have it off to the side so that I can spin it, because it does pivot, as you just saw. So you can have it if you had somebody that was riding in the passenger seat and they wanted to record something. But this is how it is, and I always have it like this. But you can put your phone in. Once you put your phone in between here, then you can have it for portrait, or you could do it in landscape. So it has these little springs here, so it stretches out kind of far. I use a Note 9 and a Note 10 to do my recording on, but like I said, you know, you can spin it if you want to do just a picture, a selfie or whatever. And I use it like this. So once I put it in, the phone is usually in like this, and then I just spin it the long way so that I can have the what I need for YouTube. And so if you put this right here and you don't want it, you know, if you put it somewhere in your vehicle and you don't want it to stay there, what you would do to release this, you would just pull this little lever right here, and it will take it off. And so that's how you would do that. Now, when I am doing my actual deliveries, this is what you all are seeing me do when I'm walking to the customer's home. It is just my GoPro, and I have it attached to my windshield, and it is the Hero 7. I have it attached to my windshield with this little gadget that I purchased, and I'll talk about that a little bit more, but that's it. And so you can have it go up and down, you know, and you can pivot it around as well. So I have this, and I'm using that, and this is how I get my footage. Oh, and one more thing, even if you don't have, like, I have a case on my phone, most of the time your case is too big to fit in this, so you'll probably just have to take your case off. But when I'm driving and need the directions, I have this up so that I wish I had my phone. Let me go and get my phone. Okay, so a little demonstration on how this works. So you would put the phone in the middle here like this, and that's how it sits. So when I am driving and I need directions, I have it this way. So it's in portrait most of the time. So when I am speaking to y'all, that's how I turn it so that I can get the dimensions that I need for YouTube. And so like I was saying, you know, you can spin it this way, spin it that way. And this is a lotion bottle, so it holds it will hold your phone. It even holds my my GoPro if I put it in here, because before I got that little case that is in, I used to actually sit it in here, so it fits directly in just like that. So easy peasy, nothing too, I have no fancy gadgets or none of that. This is all I use, these two things right here and 2 cell phones. That's it. All right, y'all, so I've shown you my easy setup process of how I record my videos, and we've also went over here to Five Below to show you some items that you can also get that's inexpensive, that won't break the bank. So what's left to do now is, I think it's the only thing left to do now is to subscribe. I think so. And give me a thumbs up on this video if you've liked this content. Also, this is just some stuff that you can use if you're interested in becoming a Spark delivery driver. You know, you want to document your journey as well. This is something that you can implement starting today, you know. And even if you're not interested in becoming a delivery driver, you can use this if you wanted to go ahead and start up your YouTube channel. You don't have to go out here and worry about buying all that expensive stuff, because Five Below got you covered. You already saw that. They have you covered, whether you're looking for some gaming stuff or whatever. They have all that, and it's $5. So all you need to do is just go grab that and hop on in front of the camera and get started. All you need is your cell phone. Y'all already saw how I told y'all all I use is my cell phone and my little handy dandy GoPro. That's it. I mean, it's easy. But matter of fact, you know, just click the video right here and just keep on watching. You've made it this far, so you might as well just go ahead and just look at the rest of the playlist that I have right here. It'll take you through everything that you need to know about Spark if you're interested in signing up. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.